Hello everyone, today I'm making Zeera chicken curry, and for that I'm going to fry chicken, but before frying I'm going to marinate chicken. And for marination I'm adding 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and black pepper, and I will put chicken into this mixture and will marinate for at least 30 minutes. And now I'm frying this chicken, but make sure don't overcook. So here is the ingredient what we need for curry: 4 to 5 tomatoes, 4 jalapeno, which I grind it and make paste like this, and this is the jalapeno. I took 4 of them and I grind it. And we will need 8 to 10 green chili and 2 full spoon of ginger garlic paste. And these are the dry spices. We need 1 full spoon of crushed pepper, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of dhania jeera powder, salt for taste, and 3 full spoon of cumin seed. And we will need cinnamon stick, few cloves and few black pepper. And that's the fried chicken which we fried earlier, and we'll need that to make a curry now. So these are the ingredients: the green chili paste, the jalapeno paste, tomato, green chili whole, and these are the dry spices as you see. So let's begin. Put oil in the pan and let it heat up, and when oil gets heat up, put cumin seed, cinnamon stick, black pepper and cloves, then cook it for 1 minute. And then add fried chicken and mix well and cook about another 2 minutes. And now I'm adding the jalapeno paste, and I'll mix it well and I'll cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the dry spices and we'll mix with jalapeno paste and cook for a few minutes. After cooking for a few minutes with spices, now I'm adding tomatoes and whole Thai chilies, and I will mix well. Then I will cover with the lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until tomato release water and oil gets separated. Alrighty, my chicken gravy is all done, and as you see, oil is separated so well and gravy looks so good. So now I will just take out in serving dish and serve with naan or chapati.